Morning folks, welcome back aboard Temkin. Just carrying on with this engine bay still. So we've been putting some steel in and get it a lick of paint and some vac tan on some areas that needed it. So we'll just have a quick look, and today I'm going to start I'm going to cut the plywood and whatever to line it, and I've got some insulation which I'm going to fasten to the walls, and that's for foil insulation, so it gives it a bit of protection from weather outside. But we'll just have a quick look. You see I've put steel work in there. Want some more on that back wall to carry it, so it's same as this wall here, so it's like that, and then carry the boards. The roof's all steeled out for the ply and that wall, and I have actually cut plywood base for there, what's going to be the cupboard above that. So today I'm going to get them walls lined with the foil insulation. I'm going to stick it onto them, and then I'm going to cut the plywood to line the roof and these walls. It still does want a bit of steel in that side there. I don't know if I've got enough to finish that top bit. If I have, I can put the top piece down, top ply down, that roof down there. If I hadn't, I'm not sure. If I hadn't, then well, I'll cut it all anyway. We'll cut all the ply we can today, what we've got. We need to fetch some more from the workshop. And across that back there, that's all been vac tanned. So that's my job today, so let's get on with it. This is the insulation. It's that foil type stuff. So I'm going to spray glue it to the steel, wrap it round the channel, and that'll stop any strike through, hopefully, like thermal strike through, so keep it the cold outside coming in, and also the heat, so to a certain extent. Then we're going to have 12mm of ply on top of that. So that's it. Got some spray adhesive, so we're going to adhere it to the walls. That seems to work pretty well. So I've sprayed the contact adhesive on this silver bit, and then I've sprayed the steel behind. So just an half it now to that. And then get this flat on here, get it tight as we can. Solid. That's it. So this goes higher toward that end, so the drill slopes down, you see. So that's it. And according to the literature, that's worth 65mm thickness of foam insulation. Don't know how true that is though. That's what we need to do with it. We'll get some cut for you. Right, so ready for the other one. Right, that's that done hopefully. Let's get it done. I think I've got to cut out for the window afterwards. should be going pretty good. I've never used this stuff like this in this situation, but quite pleased with that. That's stuck on really well. So just keep going round, a bit more there, then I'll do the top. Okay, so we've got that side done. Got the end to do yet. We've got the ceiling on up to there, but I've got steel stud put down there, so we're going further on that. So it's just this wall to do for now, and we'll take that up to that last panel, because I've got to weld some steel in there like I have there in corners to carry boards. So we'll get this side done. I'll make it. Right, what I do on the top, like I've done up there, is up here. Once I put this on, I've then got another slimmer width, glued it and adhered it up there so it covers all the steel. Working pretty well. So we'll cut one other one now. So I cut one. 500, that'll finish here somewhere by the time it's wrapped round. So let's get that done. Snug as a bug in a rug. Right, another bit on up to there, and then I'll not go any further because of the welding in the corner. Don't want to set fire to it, do I? Right, that's the last bit on here now. Although I will be cutting out there for a power supply from the outside straight into the inverter, and that will go in here, and the battery leads will then have to come into it as well. So anyway, that's another job, another day. So I'm going to now get the boards cut for lining this out here. So I've got that board on the bottom at the moment, it's only sat there, cutouts in it, because they will come up under there there'll be something going, so I need access to it, even if it's just a big cupboard really that you can get down to. But I don't know if the calorifier can go in there. It's a bit of a way from bathroom and that, so you get a lot of cold water before you got hot water coming through. It's not that good being that far from where you want it to come out, you know. But anyway, we'll see. May put two on. Oh, that's it, wrapped up now. Just that corner. I'll get some steel maybe tomorrow and just finish that off, and that can be wrapped up then, put to bed. Not really need any on this wall, but I don't know, we'll see. We might put some on, see what's left on the roll. That's one roll. I've got enough to finish this corner, and that'll be about it, I think. Right, we'll have a cuppa and then we'll get the old plywood out and cut some boards for these walls. See you in a minute. Right, so I got the first board up there, got it propped up. So that one goes straight across the boat. The two sides will then come the full length down the sides here. And when they're up properly, we'll just run some glue along joints, and that'll be it. They'll be fine, they'll hold together. So now I'm going to get a couple of screws in that one, and then I can cut these side bits. These taper in, these up here, they taper in, they're narrow at this end and wide at that end. So once I've got them two up, I can sort this side out. That's my aim. This side is what I need to get done. Using these Tech Fast screws again that I've used on side of boat. They're superb. From what are they? 4.8mm, 38mm long. That's it. The countersink down. So, oh, I got that bit. It's a bit cheap to that steel. So what I'll do is when it's all finished, is we'll just put filler in there, some 2-part filler, and sand them off. It's only going to get painted this, I'm not doing all fancy here. It's just going to be paintable, most of the boat is. So we're underway, let's get on. Right, it's called tight as a bow. So I'll get these sides cut now and we'll get them on. Okay, so that one's on, as we've seen, and now we've got this one on along here. That's all I'm really bothered about today, because I want to get these back walls done. So that's my next job.